So, howtothomas.com dentures are basically marketed as an affordable and convenient alternative to traditional dentures, with the idea that you can get a better-looking smile without spending a fortune at the dentist. But there are a few things I'd be careful about. The biggest issue is fit. Dentures aren't one-size-fits-all, and something that looks good in a product photo may not fit your mouth comfortably or securely. A poor fit can affect eating, speaking, and even irritate your gums. I'd also be cautious about claims suggesting these dentures can replace professionally fitted dental work. At-home or cosmetic dentures may be useful for temporary appearance changes, but they aren't necessarily a substitute for proper dental treatment. So, should you buy howtothomas.com dentures? I'd be very careful. Check exactly what you're receiving, how sizing works, the materials used, the return policy, and whether there are genuine independent customer reviews. Overall, the low price might be tempting, but when it comes to something you're putting in your mouth, fit, safety, and quality are much more important than saving a few dollars. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.